Shaffner here. Guess what I have? I have a stitch fix to share with you. I am so glad that you popped over to my channel today to share this stitch fix with me. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. I'm so pleased you joined me. I sure hope that you will consider subscribing before you leave and join me for a future video. Heads up, I have a bit of a head cold, so thank you all for bearing with me. And I know my voice sounds a little bit funny, or it sounds really funny between my ears. Anyway, moving on. Check out how little this one is. I suspect this probably has some spring fashion in it, which is awesome. We're all looking forward to wearing lighter weight clothing, but it's still so very cold where I am, and I still want winter cozy fashion. It could be because I'm not feeling well. I'm just ready to cuddle up in something warm. I am excited to get into this stitch fix. It always lifts my spirit. So if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, or if you want some more information, I have left everything you need to know about Stitch Fix in the description bar below, as well as my referral link. If you use my referral link for your first Stitch Fix, Stitch Fix will waive your styling fee, zero styling fee, plus they offer you $25 in credit towards your first box. Yes! They also offer me a little bit of credit when you go through my links, so I have to thank everyone, men and women, that have used my link. You guys are awesome, and you really make these videos much, much easier for me to make. So thank you for supporting my channel in that way. Now let's get into this stitch fix and see what my stylist sent. Okay, here's the inside of my box, and you can see everything I need to know. All the instructions are printed right on the box. A return mailer in case something does not work out. I can send it back postage free. In the envelope is a note from my stylist and an invoice. Yes, I have to pay for the clothes. Anything I keep, I have to pay for. Look what I have. We have some shoes. That looks promising, and a bundle, and it is a little bundle. Look at those colors. Ooh, Kristen, are you watching? I've got something with lemons on it, it looks like. We've got some denim in there, and I really hope the denim are a little bit different. There's also some mustard. This looks really promising. Should we do the shoes first? I normally save shoes for last, but I'm kind of excited. Let's get into it. Okay, I'll read it first. These are Mia Mallory Bow Flat. In green. Okay. Look at that. Okay, I don't own any green flats. In fact, I don't own any shoe in this color. So there's a teeny tiny little heel there. That's a rubber sole, and there's some grip there. We have a bit of a point. The bow is not obnoxious. I kind of like that. These look fabulous. Okay, on the top we have lemons. Look at this. Oh my goodness, isn't this great? This is Beach Lunch Lounge. What is the name of this? This is the Sentinel Button-Down top in white, and it has, I like this. This is perfect because I can put a sweater underneath this button-down right now. It looks to be, it's a rounded hem, but a little bit longer in the back. No tab sleeves. This looks wonderful. There is a pocket. Yes, yes. Okay, the mustard is next. What do we have? This is good. This is good. Oh, okay, this is a wrap top. It looks to be a true wrap top. What kind of sleeves? A bit of a flutter there. This is really lovely. This is Kaylee. This is the Sarah wrap top in mustard. I normally really enjoy a wrap top. Of course, it's always contingent on how low the neckline is and how short the garment is, but this looks great. Next we have, oh my goodness, okay. This looks like it's going to be off the shoulders, which is a lovely look, but I normally just like to wear a regular bra. This is the Love Apella Castiana off the shoulder knit top in navy, and it does have an elastic that looks to be about elbow length with an elastic. Of course, it's off the shoulder. It could be full length sleeve. I don't know. It also looks pretty short. This one might look good with an olive colored tank. underneath it. I just don't know if I would ever wear it because I have a lot of off the shoulder and I don't reach for them. It's not the most comfortable look for me to wear. Next up, we have a pair of denim. Oh, those have a really interesting hem. Oh, I like this. I like this a lot. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys, can you see these? These are Judy Blue. Oh, I love them. I love this brand. This is one of the first brands that Stitch Fix ever sent me, and I begged them. I wrote over and over and over again, please send me more, anything you can find in this brand. And this is the first time they have ever done that, and look how funky these are. Oh, please fit, please fit. I love them. I have tried everything on. I am just glancing at the prices. The total of this box is $255. The buy all discount is $63.75. If I keep everything, I can have it all for $191.25. I also have a new stylist. Her name is Kara, and she says that my stylist is taking some time off. Some well-deserved. Oh, here's the note. She says, hi, Kelly. It was my pleasure to style this fix for you while Emily enjoys some well-deserved time off. I know your closet is craving spring transition pieces, and not only did I fill this fix with mix and match items, but I made sure they fell within your budget brackets as well. Right on, Kara. Let's start with the Judy Blue jeans in a high rise as you prefer and in a trending vintage hem. These straight leg jeans, sized up, will be perfect for showcasing the gorgeous green Mia flats. Spring ready, finish this combo with a unique BLL lemon printed button-down top and your earrings from the last fix, or with the Kaylee wrap top and your drop earrings from your November 17th fix. For two casually chic outfits that are so you. Speaking of you, the Love Apella off-the-shoulder knit top is perfection. Add the jeans and flats here as well. XO Kara. So I really appreciate that this is a brand new stylist, and she went back to look at all the inventory I had purchased and sent pieces that I can mix and match into my existing wardrobe. That is very impressive. I really like this fix as well. Let's go over everything. I'll show you the clothing and we can talk about it because I'm not sure that everything worked, but I really like every single piece. I will start with the shoes since that's where we started with the unboxing. I love them. I think they're a really unusual color, and that is why I am drawn to them. But besides that, I love the pointy flats. I think they're very, very contemporary, and I love that they come in this fun color. Like I said, the bow's not obnoxious. I really don't like to wear like little girl bows, and they're really comfortable. I also felt like these shoes just paired really well with all of the clothing that she sent, which is kind of fun because I do like to add a pop of color. You guys know that. You've seen my red shoes all winter long. Maybe it's time to add some green. What do you think about these? These are $49. I think that's a pretty decent price. So yeah, I think I'm going to keep the shoes. Do you like them? The next piece is the Beach Lunch Lounge top in a button-up style, which everyone knows I enjoy. I really like these because they can be worn in so many ways, but this print is so fun. And this is a true transition piece. Yes, that can be worn right now with a sweater or some type of layering piece underneath, but isn't it a fun color? My husband saw this and thought it was pineapples, but I love that it's a lemon print. One of my favorite YouTubers, Kristen, Moments of Sanctuary, picked up some lemon prints last season, and I was very envious. They looked remarkable on her, and I understand why she likes them so much because it feels fun to wear. This one is $58. This one is not going anywhere. I love this top. The next piece is the wrap top by Kaylee. This is the Sarah wrap top, and I absolutely love the fabric, the print of the fabric with these little reddish pink flowers and some green stems on it, all on the background of mustard. And normally, like I said, this is a wrap style that I would enjoy wearing. I felt like this one was a little bit short on me. I do appreciate that we have that modesty snap there, but I still felt like it was a little low cut, and I also felt, well, I did not feel secure in it. I wasn't able to tie the ties tight enough to feel secure. I would have had to start tying into the actual blouse to get it tight enough to where I felt like it wouldn't come open. This is also 100% rayon, which is such a drag because I think it is such a lovely print. This certainly looks like a Kelly Shaffner top, but I don't feel secure in it, so there's really no reason to buy it. This is the cheapest one in the entire fix, coming in at $42. I don't think this box is a 5 for $5 anyway, so I don't feel real bad about having to send this back or trying to guess whether I should keep it to get the discount, but yeah, I like it. And then again, it's not for me. Next up is the Love Apella off the shoulder top. This one is $48 and I really didn't care for it. Not just because it's off the shoulder. You know, one of the things that did impress me when I raised my arms, it did actually stay off the shoulder, but I don't like this detail. And you can see it's kind of twisting, and it did that on my arm as well. And this isn't a piece that I will reach for often. I have a bunch of off-the-shoulder tops that are just like new because I don't wear them very often. Now, this is a really nice knit fabric. It's a beautiful print. It's a little short as well. It's just not my bag, so I'm going to send this one back. Okay, the next piece, which you probably know that I love, are the Judy Blue denim in this trending vintage hem. I'm really excited to have them. They're very different than anything that I have. They're a straight leg, so it is a different look, but I appreciate that. I want something a little bit different. Now, I don't know if you could tell, they sent, these must be junior sizes. They sent a size 11, and I felt like they fit really good in the legs, which is, I have very curvy legs, but they were really big in the waist, and I wore them for the entire try-on. That doesn't take me very long to try on the clothes, and the waist is just too big. So again, this is one that I'm going to have to ask for an exchange because I want these. I like these. Do you guys like these? I mean, they're very, very different. I'm really hopeful that going down one more size is not going to be too tight in my bottom and legs. These seem to be sized in juniors, and I normally don't wear juniors clothing, mainly because I'm not a junior, and my hips do not resemble junior hips. So can everyone please cross your fingers that Stitch Fix has these in a smaller size and they're going to fit and look dynamite on me? So check it out. My $58 Judy Blue denim, my $58 killer lemon beach lunch lounge top, and my $49 Mia flats. Isn't this a great little outfit? You guys, you might see this one in my outfit diaries because I'm really looking forward to wearing this. It's all kind of contingent on whether I can get these denim exchanged. God, what did you think about the Love Apella and the Kaylee top? Could this potentially be a 5 for $5? I really am trying not to purchase items that I am not excited to wear. I'm thinking it's 3 for $5, which feels like a great success, and especially with a substitute stylist. Stitch Fix is personal styling at the very best. This has been so much fun to spend a little time with you. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. I love your comments, so please weigh in on the clothing that I tried today, and I will answer your comments personally. I love to get to know all of you better. I will have another video in just a couple days, so make sure you look out for that one. Until we meet again, blessings to all of you.